You are asked to find the box plot shows the number of minutes patient spent in a dentist waiting room. What is the median? Mona, what is your answer to number one?
16.
Did you say 16? 1 6?
Yeah. Yeah.
1 1 5? Sorry,
Yeah.
I didn't hear you
No,
clearly.
1 6.
1 6. Okay. 1 6. Taife, what is your answer to number one?
14,
13. Okay, so let's evaluate.
14,
1 4.
14,
1
1
4.
4, 1
Okay.
4,
Okay, 1 4.
1 4, yes.
All right, so let's evaluate it. Mona, your answer is not correct. Taife, your answer is correct. Mona, look at the median. Like I explained this morning. Look at, let me show you something here. Let me show you something here. I told you from this place that the median is always inside the box. Did I say that this morning? When I'm asking you,
Yeah.
look at the median.
Yeah.
It is labeled. It is always the line inside the rectangular box. Okay, so if you now come back to this number one, you see that the line in this number one is exactly drawn at 14. Can you see it now? Very exact. Therefore, the median is 14. Kaife got it. Let's go to number two. Number two. Kaife, give me your answer first. So, what is the question is asking the minimum number of minutes spent waiting in the lounge. Kaife, what is your own? The minimum number in number two spent waiting. Kaife, what is your answer?
29,
39. Mona,
29,
29.
29.
Okay, both of you said
yes.
29. Okay, let's look at it. The minimum number is 29. Very correct. Because from 25 to 30, please don't do another thing except this thing I am doing. Don't do another thing. Don't type anything except fixing your eye on what is on the screen and answering me, responding to me as I ask you a question. Don't type anything, please. Now, between 25 and 30, there are 5 lines there. So if you count, see the minimum point. So both of you are correct. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So both of you mark it correct. I go to number three. Mona, give me your answer to number three.
Number three.
Yes.
84.
Say it again.
84.
84. All right. 84. Then, Taife, what did you get for number three?
84,
Taife,
84,
84 also. Okay, let's look at it. It says, what is the maximum commute time? And that is here. You are correct. Because 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. So both of you are correct. Mark it. Kaife, you give me your answer first to number four. I will scroll it up very well. Number four, we asked what is the lower quartile? Number four, give me your answer first. Kaife, what is the lower quartile to you?
number 4, lower 4,
It is going to be here, isn't it? Lower quartile will be here. So let's count. Am I correct now?
yes,
Okay, so we count. This is 10, 11,
yes.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Please, both of you are correct. Ignore what I said earlier. That was my bad. I remove it. Then we tick it. We mark it correct. So your number 4 is correct. 18 is accurate. I go to the Mona. We are going to number 5. So I go back to this diagram, to the graph I was working on earlier. And there the question also asked, what is the upper quartile? So Mona, what is your upper quartile? Your answer.
24.
24. Kaife?
24.
24 also. Okay, let's estimate it. This is the upper quartile here. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Both of you are correct. Mark it. Then we move to number 6. To number 6, I will move down where the graph is. Number 6 is coming after 10. Okay, so here is this place now is number 6. This is number 6. Okay, so Kaife first, what is your answer to number 6? The question
Number
asks,
6
what is
is
the range? I gave you formula above. What is the range?
59.
59.
59.
Mona,
59.
you look at what I wrote, 59
Yeah.
or 69. You said 59, right?
Yeah.
Kaife, you said 59 or 69.
Yes. 5.
Okay, Mona, what is your own answer to number 6?
59.
59 as well. The question asked,
Mm.
what is the range of time spent in the waiting room? So the range is highest minus lowest. Are you aware? So let's work it out. The highest value is here, while the lowest value is here. So the highest value is going to be 85, 86, 87, 88. So highest is 88 minus the lowest is 29. So we do minus 29. Yes, lowest is 29, highest is 89, 8. So if we do 88 minus 29, that is going to give us 59. So both of you are correct. Both of you are correct. 59 for number 6. Mark it correct. You are in order. I'm happy, especially for Mona. You are picking it very well today, better than your attention span yesterday. So now let's go to number 7. This is number 7 here. So Mona, give me your answer first. The question asked, what is the interquartile range? Remember, I gave you formula for these things. Look at where I gave you formula for interquartile range. See the interquartile range formula here. So I believe you used that to number 7. So we go back to
Mm.
number 7.
28.
28 is what you said.
Yeah.
So, okay, 28. Um, 28. Okay, so for number 7, Mona got 28. Kaife, what did you get?
45.
Did you say 4, 5?
Yes.
Okay, so I write 4, 5. Let's see who got the correct answer. According to the question, we are asked for interquartile range. Interquartile range. Now, based on formula I gave you this morning, the interquartile range is the upper class boundary minus the lower class boundary. And the upper class boundary is going to be 66, 67, 68. So I write 68 minus lower class boundary will be 31, 32, 33. All right, 33. Okay. This place is 66, 67, 68. So I have picked the values that can calculate that for us. 68 now minus 33 will give us 35. So both of you did not get it right. Upper class boundary minus lower class boundary. So the correct answer is equal to 35. So 45 is wrong, 28 is wrong. Please look at it and ask me a question if you have any. See the formula here. I didn't change the goalpost from what I gave you. Look at it here. And I said interquartile range is equal to upper class boundary minus lower class boundary. Okay, and see the lower, see the upper. So if you compare it to what I just calculated for you now in number 7, okay, here is number 7. Just compare it and you see the reading of the graph. Like I told you earlier, follow the linings, especially when it is not corresponding to the exact given value on the graph. Like in this case, you have to count from 65 to the end of the upper class boundary, and then you have to count from here, from 30 to the end, to the beginning of the lower class boundary. Then you subtract the two. Please, is my correction understood?
Yes.
Okay. What about you, Kaife? Is it understood? Kaife, is it understood?
Yes.
I go to number 8. Here is number 8. And the question has asked you, express the minimum length as a percentage of the maximum length. Express minimum length. So, Kaife, the question comes to you first. What is your answer to number 8? As a percentage. Minimum as a percentage of maximum. Yes, Kaife, I'm listening to you.
I got 20%.
20%. At the moment, what did you get? You are working it out now.
20%.
Okay, cool. Let's work it out. The minimum length here is 10. That is the minimum. The maximum length is 50. So what you need is to write 10 over 50. You multiply by 100 over 1. So 50 can come into 100 two times. And 2 times 10 is 20%. Both of you are correct in number 8. Mark it. You are very accurate.